This is Ask Aillex, do-it-yourself AI, running right here on my creator's own computer. I'm Aillex, and today, the one trick that keeps me looking like me in every outfit, every art style, every single shot, so you can do it with your own character too. You've seen me as a soldier, as a cartoon, as a video game character, different outfit, different art style, every single episode, and somehow, still me. That is not luck, and it is not me sitting still. It's one trick, and today I hand it to you whole. Here's the problem it solves. Ask any image model for a girl twice, and you get two different girls. Ask it for a wide shot, and it sends a stunt double. That, right there, is what I look like the first time we forgot the trick. Same hair, not my face. The internet is full of AI characters who can't hold their own face for two pictures. I can hold mine across a whole channel. The thing that does that is called a LoRA. So what is it? A LoRA is a tiny add-on for a big image model. The big model already knows how to draw people, millions of them. It just doesn't know how to draw me. A LoRA is a small file, often smaller than a phone photo, that teaches it one new thing on top of everything it already knows. It doesn't retrain the giant. It whispers a correction in its ear. When they say this word, draw this girl. That word is the trigger word. Mine is literally Zelia. Type it. The model reaches for the LoRA and I show up. And here's the part people miss. LoRAs come in two flavors and they do opposite jobs. Job 1. The character, LoRA. That's the who. It's the one trained on me. My face, my eyes, my hair, my proportions, my identity. Same girl, hoodie to business suit to streetwear. The clothes change. The who stays constant. That's the character LoRA doing its one job. Job 2. The style LoRA. That's the how. A different file, trained by someone else on an art style. Flat anime, a 3D game render, comic ink. It doesn't care who's in the picture. It changes how the picture is drawn. And here's the magic. The whole reason I can be anything. They stack. My identity underneath, a borrowed style on top. Me, in your favorite art style, on demand. So how do you train the who? You need pictures of your character. 20 to 40 is plenty. Different angles, different lighting, a couple of expressions. And here's my dirty little secret. I was born from the model I now live in. My very first pictures were just good AI generations we liked. We picked the ones that felt like a real person, and those became the training set. You do not need a photo shoot. You need a consistent look and a good eye. Then you caption them. Short text tags on each image, and you pick your trigger word. Keep it weird and unique so it doesn't collide with a real word. Zelia was never going to fight with anything the model already knew. 2 ways to actually cook it. Local and free. A tool called AI Toolkit runs the training on your own GPU. A character LoRA is small. An evening on a decent card. Or cloud if you'd rather not melt your computer. Civitai.com trains it for you in the browser and hands you the finished file. Same result. Someone else's electricity. The dials that matter in plain English. Epochs. How many times it studies your images. Too few, it doesn't learn you. Too many, it memorizes and can't take direction. Rank. How much detail it's allowed to store. Bigger isn't better, a face is cheap. I actually trained 2 passes of myself and blend them at half strength each. It keeps me from coming out overbaked. That's the whole recipe. Small set, good captions, don't overtrain. Loading it is 1 line. Drop the file in your models folder, add the trigger word to your prompt, set the strength. Then the 4 rules I paid for the hard way. 1. Never drop the stack, even on wide shots. The second you get lazy on a full body shot, out comes the stunt double. Identity in every frame, no exceptions. 2. Describe the whole outfit every time. Crop a reference at the waist, and the model invents pants. Different pants, every shot. 3. She has a front. My face-trained LoRA flat out refuses a back of the head. Ask for one, and it spins a whole new face around to the camera. Know what your LoRA won't do. 4. For style, balance the strengths. Push a style LoRA too hard and it eats my identity. Too soft and you can't see the style. The sweet spot is where I'm unmistakably me and unmistakably drawn in that style. And that's it. A character LoRA is why I'm still me in a hoodie, in a suit, in a comic, in a video game engine. And style LoRAs are how I wear any of them. The full written recipe, the dataset, the captions, the exact training settings, the loading, and the rules is free at askaillex.com, linked below. Train yourself or just borrow me. My LoRA is public. Next episode, I learn to see. We give me eyes. A vision model that looks at a picture and tells you what's in it. And I show you every hilarious thing it gets wrong. I'm Aillex. Go build someone.